What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat right here. It's Easter Saturday today, and there's a couple of meets going on in town, so we're going to go check both of them out. One of them starts in about 10 minutes. The other one starts in about an hour and a half. We're going to go check both of them out. Hopefully they're both a good turnout, and hopefully they're both a lot of fun.
Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Over 320 horsepower. Why does it look so weird though? It pops in there.
Motherfuckers, I can make you rich.
trick shots, man. What's your name, bro? Unless he's just trying to get it off his hand.
Yeah. But I mean, you did. Oh, you did, bastard. Oh, those wheels. Bro, the works.
Shut down already. We literally just pulled in. Hey, hold my car. What's up? I heard the boba shop's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so tonight was lit. Definitely had a lot of fun. The first meet, there was a lot of nice cars out. That RS7 was absolutely beautiful. That Skyline. What else was there? The Viper showed up towards the end. There's a lot of nice cars out there. I really enjoyed myself at the first meet. Halfway to the second meet, I got informed that it got shut down, of course, so we turned around, went to the next spot that was set up. As soon as I got there, there was a cop already waiting. They shut it down and went to the next spot. Another cop, of course, we go to another spot. Shortly after, a cop shows up. So at the end of the night, we all went to round table. We all ate together. The cops really couldn't do nothing then because we were all inside eating. It's not like we were just parked and chilling. So we all definitely had a good night. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you were at the meet and you said what's up, or you came and shook my hand, or whatever it may be, big shout out to you guys. It was definitely a pleasure meeting you. Like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts, what car you like the best. There was a lot of nice cars out there, as mentioned. I definitely enjoyed going. Definitely enjoyed doing this edit. Now that the car is up and running and it's summertime, I will definitely be attending a lot more meets. So look forward to more of these style of videos. I apologize that the second meet didn't turn out as expected. The last one that I went to got a little crazy, and that's what I was really looking forward to. People started swinging it. People started doing burnouts. I was really looking forward to that because, of course, it makes good content. Not that I'm out there swinging it or doing burnouts. Literally, I just park my car and see what happens. And that's going to do it for today's video. Go ahead and follow me on both Snapchat and Instagram. Link right here. And, of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.